Okay, so on to the next topic. But before that, I want you to think about your last interview or discovery call where sobrang kabado ka and you feel that you're really unprepared. What specific steps could you have taken beforehand para mas ma-feel mo na you are really confident and prepared? I want you to note your answers. Kasi the thing here is that you need to understand the importance of preparation and how it can significantly boost your confidence. 'Di ba lagi naman nilang sinasabi na, "Oh, bago ka mag-appear diyan sa interview or bago ka mag-conduct ng discovery call, kailangan i-research mo muna," ganyan, ganyan. So why would you come in to an interview or any job application as a VA or as a freelancer without preparation? And with preparation, I mean todo-todong preparation. And here's another question. Imagine you have a discovery call tomorrow with a potential client. What are the key pieces of information that you would want to gather beforehand to ensure that you feel prepared and confident? This is outside the normal research that you will be doing, getting to know the business of the client. Ikaw mismo, as a service provider, as a creative entrepreneur, as a freelancer, what are the key information that you should have, that you should know? Kasi being well informed can lead to a more meaningful conversation and better client relationships. Kumbaga, you will be building rapport. You will be walking through your potential clients sa kung ano yung magiging, kung ano yung mangyayari if they decide to hire you. Do you have that? Have you thought about that? And here is the last question. What steps can you take to ensure that you are prepared for your first client project, even if you don't have all the skills mastered yet? Oh, diba? These are big questions, I know. And if you feel that you don't have anything at all that could help you answer this, oh my gosh, ang dami ko palang pagkukulang, ang dami ko pa palang dapat gawin. At wag po muna tayo ma-pressure. Remember yung mga problems kanina? Alright, I'm here to really help you out. But I wanted to first share with you that 90% of your self-doubt will disappear if you understand ano ba yung pwede mo itulong. What is the value that you can bring to your clients? And how would you be able to know ano nga ba yung value na pwede